There's Miami Beach Marina to the right.
We're about to go to Los Angeles.
And we're already into Miami Beach. Now guys, as I told you, we're on Ocean Drive. People are gonna scream at us and we want to scream back at them. So I want us to rehearse.
You want to scream? Okay then.
When I go 3, 2, 1, everybody scream. So let's go. 3, 2, 1. So look at this building. This building was built in 2005, and that was the first time I heard the term intelligent building, whatever that means. And it was all the rage at the time. I remember Jennifer Lopez bought a unit there on the top, and she has already divorced P. Diddy.
This guy needs to stop yapping.
Parties there in his mansion. When we go back, I'm gonna show you P. Diddy's mansion. So now we're in Miami Beach, and by the way, Cassius Clay, the boxer, right? Muhammad Ali, he used to train here on a Fifth Street gym in an alley in the back of this building. So even today, if you go to the gym, there is people who used to be friends with him. And Muhammad Ali, he never left Miami. I mean, he lived here for some time, but he always came back, and there is a lot of memories of him here in Miami Beach. And as I said, if you go one of these days, and you know the right people, you can sit down with those guys and hear those stories. Super fascinating, extremely interesting. So Miami Beach is one of the cities in Miami-Dade County. Miami-Dade County is 34 different cities and a lot of